a robber with only a pen in your pocket. What do? If your pen is the PENSHOT pen, it fires a P compound similar to pepper spray, allowing you to defend yourself effectively from a mugger up to 9 meters away. Plus, the pen's serrated edge can come in handy if things get physical. The PENSHOT pen is priced at $149. Let's discuss the Wonder Hoodie. This remarkable piece can withstand cuts, punctures, and even fire thanks to its innovative SWX fabric. Available in a unisex style with 7 size options, it is priced at $795. Another interesting discovery in the martial arts category on Amazon is this shield priced at just $80. Designed for self-defense with a primary emphasis on versatility, it's compact at 47 centimeters, easily fitting into briefcases, bags, and backpacks. Suitable for both right and left-handed users, it weighs only The Wrap Company is developing devices to enhance criminal apprehension. The BOLAWRAP, priced at $100, can immobilize a fleeing criminal by firing a Kevlar cord effectively up to 8 meters away. It reloads in about 6 seconds and is being used by US law enforcement agencies in 59 countries. The Seon 180 degrees backpack features a camera with smart AI algorithms, monitoring what's happening behind you. If it spots anything unusual, it sends a notification to your smartphone. Priced at $443, it also packs a 20,000 mAh battery and a solar panel for recharging. The Stun Gun 519 is marketed as professional self-defense equipment, featuring a built-in flashlight to potentially blind assailants. Its knuckle duster shape ensures a secure grip, and it's compact at 66 by 9 centimeters, packing enough power to immobilize an attacker for several minutes. Secure what matters most with the Doorable, eliminating the element of surprise for homeowners. Priced at $40, it's suitable for doors that open inward, offering a simple installation. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.